Hello and namaste everyone. You're watching Smarty Tech Fest and I am Anjali with a new video related to the YouTube tips. So today our topic will be that how we can edit our video. Editing here means how to trim our video after uploading on our YouTube channel. That means if I uploaded a video and I want to trim it. How we can trim it? We can trim it in two ways. First, either you can trim it from first or last frame, or you want to trim it with from just a section within a video. So how you can do it using our YouTube editor. You don't need any other tool. You can do the same using the YouTube editor itself, as YouTube has provided us a feature for the creator like us, that how we can edit it. So let's see how we can do this. So for now you have to go to the manage video, come to your channel, go to the manage video and check which video you want to edit or you want to trim. So I want to trim my video as this one. This one is the video on which I want to make a edit as a trim. So edit it, and this is the option given here, that is the editor option is given here. So that video is uploaded already, and either you can have it as a public or a private one, that is up to you. But if you have uploaded the video, then only you can use this editor. Fine. So this is the video. You can see that. Okay, let me just run for. So you can see this is a 15-second video only. And firstly, see that if I want to trim from the first or last frame, then how you can do that. So there is an option given for in the YouTube editor for the sound, for the blur option, for the end screen, and you can even see the trim here. Trim option is given here. Blur option we have already covered. You can check out the video. I will provide in the description box too. You can check it out. So let's see that how we can create a trim. So click on a trim, and after clicking you can see the bars are coming here like this. You can see these bars. This type of bars are useful when you want to trim it from the first frame, from the first or from the last screen. So let's say I don't want this part and I don't want this part. That means the part from this, before this part, that is a grayish part, will not be available after trim. So if I want to trim it, you can do so. Let's see, I want to trim this first frame. So this grayish part will not be visible after the trimming. You can see the preview from here. Just click on a preview, and after preview it will take you to the original part, and you can just take the cursor here. You can see I have provided the cursor here, but it will not be going to play from this part. You can see this has been started from this part only. That means this is the preview part, that how your video will be look like after trimming. So if you don't want to trim this, just again edit it, and you can even clear all the editors, trimming editor, and it will clear the things. Now we will see that what if you want to trim from middle section of the video. So how you can do that? Just again you have to come to the trim, and from the trim come to the middle section where you want to trim it. Let's say I want to trim from here. So just move the cursor here and use the split option. Split here means that we are dividing the video in different part, where this grayish part will not be available after the uploading the video. That means this grayish part will get trimmed from the original video. So this is the trim where I want to do. Let's say I want to trim from here to, so move the cursor here, then again use the split. So you can use the multiple split options here. So you can trim multiple section from within a video. So this is the two split I have done. You can even split from here. That means I want to split from this section too. So these are the three middle section where I want to use the trim option. So this, if you are satisfied, if you are not, just you can even undo it. You can come to the section where you want to split. Just choose the split, and here it will get split. And if you want to preview, you can preview the same. Just move the cursor from the start and play it. you can see that this cursor will directly move to the other colorful part, not coming to the grayish part. That means our split is doing great. And if you are satisfied, if you don't, you can even just click on the trim again, edit trim, and you came back to the trim option, editing trim, and you can do whatever you want. And if you are satisfied, just go and click preview again, and after the preview just go for the save and save it. Okay, so before saving you have to take care that after clicking on a save, it will not allow you to edit anything else. So you want to anything to be edited, just do the editing, just do all the editing what you want, and then save, because it will not allow you until the once if you have saved, it will not allow you for the other editing until the previous video will not get processed. So click on save, and after saving, the screen will got freeze, and after processing the video will, after the video is being processed, you can check if it has been uploaded or not, and till then it will not allow you to edit anything else. So this is all about today's topic. You can check out the other videos too. If you like, you can do so, and please stay tuned with me and take care. Bye bye.